they happen now? Let's do the sleep again. Ah, wow. See where they talk about say I deliberately put my head for your body. First do the control sleep now. If sleep say move left, you go move left. I will not be slow. I move like this. If I move like this, I mean no verse. No verse.
I get where they go. Hurry up. Trevor, don't stop anything. Okay, you find my trouble for this bus. You find my trouble for this bus. You know, swallow speeds. Swallow speeds.
Yeah, I'm listening. Oh, okay. I like the sound of that. You know, you are the only one on my side. And I want to say thank you very much. Okay? I'm grateful.
Sir, I think I should get you water.
No, I'll let that pass. So have you heard from my team?
Yes, Miss Helen called. She's close by.
Oh, that's good.
And
wait, if I heard you correctly, you said she's close by?
Yes, sir.
Why? Is there something I'm missing? I thought you booked a flight yesterday.
Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't.
What? What are you saying?
Sir, please hear me out. She pleaded with me that she needed the money.
Oh my goodness, Tania! What is wrong with you? You know what this company is going through. You understand perfectly what is at stake. And you chose to toy with the little time we have left. Get out.
I'm sorry.
Get out of my office! Jesus Christ. What? Oh, God of mercy. No, should I sleep? Won't come finish me today like this. I'll sleep. Cash you. Jesus. What is this? What? I don't give me this thing. What did they do?
What's going on?
What did they do? What
I don't understand.
We shall be not understand. Which reasonable person you don't see because you chop egg inside public transport? You don't know what will happen. Our life no matter to you.
Driver, I don't know who this man is, but tell him to give my egg right now.
Okay, what did happen there?
Okay, nothing happen. And they try to save everybody life. What do you want to drop egg for? You don't say if you drop egg everywhere go point. You don't crazy.
Give me my egg.
Yourself.
Give me my egg. Let me ask him.
Okay.
Let me see what allow. I don't understand.
Okay.
Give my egg. Give my egg.
Don't give you this.
Give my egg. Give me. Jesus.
I'm not true.
You throw my egg. Oh God. Let's have to worry you.
Okay,
why you go throw my egg? Why you go throw my egg?
Go blood you.
Driver.
You go blood.
Driver. I go kill you.
Okay.
Why you throw my egg?
No shaking.
Why you throw my egg?
Domestic violence.
Come down. So you said the talk. Since we keep not talking anything. Okay, all of them did this boss. They're throwing my egg. Nobody talk anything. I don't raise my voice now. I want too much. Okay, give my egg,
No, domestic violence be sure.
Which kind of noise with this one now?
You know, I don't look you since. You don't look my trouble since for this boss.
Don't let me press you down.
Before you press somebody, you give me my egg. Give me my egg. Okay, pass my egg. I don't really blame you at all. I can see that it's you that the village people sent to me this morning.
Madam, you don't calm down. Just don't grab anything.
So no wahala.
See the way you dey rough and do me.
No wahala.
I don't get it. I won't tell you.
Make me get out of character and remove my wig. No problem.
I want to just switch where
Make I just switch where I go first. That one important to me. Hello, Miss Tanya.
Where are you?
Good day to you.
That's not the answer to my question. Where are you?
No, I'm close, so I'm very, very close.
What do you mean by you are close? Jesus, you're not in Lagos, Miss Helen. I'm at the verge of losing my job. This is not what we agreed on.
nothing like that. At all. It's just that there was one very, very small delay at the park. But I promise you I'm on my way. Almost there. Hello? Hello? Ma? Hey, God. Hey, she said you're... In fact, in this bus, till we get to our destination, mind your business, oh.
I get call.
Mind your business, oh.
I get call, oh.
Ah.
Hello, madam. Yes. No, I've left Delta since, so I'm very close. But please, I understand. I'm coming. I will explain everything when I come, man. Hey, God, I'm coming now. Hello.
Driver now. She make I kneel down and beg you, me. I beg now. Ah.
Driver, I want peace, so. Okay, which one be? How many times you go peace now? How
You
many times?
dey really find who go kill you.
They make this journey.
You dey really
slow
find who
now.
go kill you for this bus. You dey find who go kill
Okay,
you.
now please, I want peace. I'm not a born anybody. Now don't peace, I want peace. I don't tell you say I want peace, but before that one, I want peace. Now please, I want peace.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I know nothing excuses me coming late on the first day of work, but please, I beg you. I'm very competent.
You know, my late father used to say that first impression defines who you are.
Very true, sir.
As far as I'm concerned, you are not ready for this job.
No, my village people have followed me here. I'm very ready, sir.
Do not interrupt me while I'm talking.
Yes, sir.
You do not know what is at stake here. Come in!
Sir, I know you have every reason to be upset with me, but I am sorry. The traffic was crazy. The car that I entered, everything just got... Jesus Christ.
You!
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Did you follow me here?
Wait, oh. Are you... Is something wrong with you?
There's something wrong with you. Why are you asking me something? This is old fool. You followed me here, Abby. They sent you to me, right? Sir, I have a very sincere question to ask. I hope by mistake this is not the supposed product manager of this company.
Yes, he is.
Hey!
You mean to tell me that this is the project designer?
Yes, and also the solution consultant.
This company will just fall. I'm so sorry, sir. This company will fall. It is finished. Somebody that has the right, the mind to eat boiled egg inside public transport. What can the person not do?
Sir.
Okay.
Am I allowed to speak if I can proceed? I have done my research on this company and I can tell that this company is one of the prestigious companies in the global market. But you know where we are going to fall if we try something? Put this man on board. We fall yakata.
Sir,
No hold.
I've also done my research. I know you're very responsible. You have a very good reputation. This company is a very reputable company, I understand. But sir, you will have a problem. She's mannerless, she's rude, she's ugly, she doesn't know how to talk, no respect, nothing. She ate boiled egg inside public transport, sir.
He doesn't even have his own lines. He has to copy me. Look at that. Products manager.
It's boiled egg, sir. Boiled egg.
Look at that. You're a big fool. So you followed me.
You're
You
mad.
they
Something
sent
is
you to
wrong.
me.
Something is wrong with
And
you.
what here?
Something is wrong with you. Boiled egg?
You mean you two are doing this in my presence?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Very sorry, sir.
Get out of my office.
Oh, sir, please.
No, sir, please.
I'm
Please,
very
sir.
sorry, sir.
Please, I beg you. I'm sorry.
Sir, please.
I need this job more than any other thing in this world,
This job
please.
is very important to me.
I need this job more than anything
You
else.
two know each other?
Do you know her?
No, I can never know her.
So why the force? Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Get up.
Well, both of you are going to be working together here.
You say working together.
What did I hear you say? Excuse me.
Nothing.
Good.
My hands are tied and you are going to be sharing the same accommodation.
Shit.
Do you have any problem with that?
No, sir. You're perfect, sir.
Madam,
This is the place.
the place?
Yeah.
Okay, her own or my own?
Both of you are sharing the same apartment.
I'm so sorry, ma. With all due respect, but there is no possible way that I'm going to live in the same house with this douchebag.
Yes, there's no possible way. I cannot stay with this ugly thing. This one you don't get parental guidance.
This girl don't get home training. She's mannerless. She's rude. No, there's no way I can live on her. Except I'll just commit murder or kill somebody. I don't feel try.
There's no way. I wish there's a way they can manage this thing. I don't say I beg.
You should have told the boss about it.
Yeah, but you don't say we know if you talk where boss they talk now. I thought. Hi.
Three things you need to know about him. Excuses, lateness, laziness. He despises it. See you guys on Monday.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Meet Philip. He works with the company. He's in charge of accommodation and logistics. Let him know when you're
Okay.
Philip, our new staff.
You're welcome.
See you guys on Monday.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much, ma.
Yeah. Let me take you inside.
Did you? Bye. Did you just call me ugly?
If person tell you say you fine, you go believe.
Who for your family fine with me?
Only me one.
Look at you. From your face structure alone, I can imagine what the other members of the family look like.
Whoa, what thing?
Ewu.
You are going to show you.
I know, Pama.
Also,
Come on, make I see my pass.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Let's go inside.
3 person will give house. My housemate. This one will just die. Bro, it's crazy, man. Such a big company. Can you imagine? No. It doesn't even make sense. Say make we share apartment. I'm like, yo, this is not what I was expecting now. Which one be na so they do for Lagos? I dey tell you, no. Like we're in the same flat, different rooms. We go to share parlor, we go to share kitchen. I just thank God say the room now all in suit. I mean, bedroom they inside. Bro, I forget that thing. Which one be fine? Get that way carry face like a mountain of fire person. No. No, me I go just focus on my work, mind my business. My own be say make she just cross my path. Because I go pack and give her wuto. You know me now. I'll just focus on my work, bro. You and I know the kind of money I go make after this one, so I don't get choice. You know how long it took me to get this job. No wahala, make I just try and understand the area. Yeah, now, bless up me.
No, you don't understand. This guy is frustrating. We literally entered the same bus down to Lagos and he frustrated my life to the very last. Like, it's just everything about this guy I don't understand. No, you know if it was possible I would have come to your side since, but it's against the company rules. I have to be here with this douchebag. Wait, babe, let me call you back, okay? Mercy is calling me. Alright. Mercy. I'm sorry. I know I should have called when I arrived. I've just been so busy and everything, trying to settle in. Yeah. How's Momsy? Okay, please let her know that I arrived safe, okay? Bye. Alright, baby, I love you. Okay, bye. Oh, please, stop. Douchebag. Philip. Hi, good afternoon. How
Good
are
afternoon,
you?
madam.
Please, can you help me get things on this?
Okay.
Mr. Philip,
Sir.
I beg, help me return her money. Help me get an air freshener.
I don't
try call you
understand.
since.
What do you mean by return my money? To do what?
I want him to get me air freshener.
Didn't you see me sending him on an errand before you walked in to come up? Philip, please return his money and go and buy what I have.
Philip, I beg, already know the vibe. I know be woman matter. I'm going to do a man to man. Let me get air freshener. If you know if you go back and say, me she go sit down.
Philip, if you move an inch from there, thunder will fire you.
Can you imagine what they talk?
Sir, excuse me. Madam, please excuse me. With all due respect, for the fact that I decided to go errand for you does not make me your errand boy. My duty here is to make sure that the both of you are well settled, and if there's anything regarding the estate or your building you want to complain about, you want to talk about, you relate with me and I'll forward your complaints to the company. They will attend to you. That's my duty.
You see your life?
Because you dey talk am like you
don't come stop am.
If you know say you get, why you dey talk to am like that?
Sir, please.
Why you dey talk to am
money.
like
Take your money.
that? No problem now. We'll just run and go get am.
We'll go buy and buy ourselves. Thank you, Philip.
Who be we?
You and me now.
Go buy and take. Go buy air freshener if they come
You
for
dey
me.
wine. You ask them go buy air freshener.
So if you go now, you can't send the man.
No wonder the whole house dey smell.
Like say you don dey craze.
Pass the road, pass. Ladies first.
I know you blame this girl.
Look at she road pass.
Come see, make I want you. Come see. My yes want you for your life. Let's be the first and the last time. Don't ever embarrass me in front of that estate security guy again. No try am. If I wait till they talk for your full life, no embarrass me again.
You see that insult, that embarrassment where you just talk. No. I was coming to that topic. In your entire life, for this life and the next one where you go come, if you ever try that, you try me at security gate again. If you try am, you know that I'm an evil child.
You be really evil child, but I never get your time. Don't worry, we shall see. I don't want you.
Come my friend and see what pass.
Where did that go? I beg, go inside your room.
Enter your room and see what pass.
You go sweat I go do you.
Enter your room.
That one come and get out.
Enter your room.
I beg, come get out.
I know say you go come out.
No,
Come on, get out.
Oh, you don't throw leg. If I catch that leg, I spin and go off.
Enter room.
Just a slap this one.
Evil man, monitoring spirit.
Come,
Monitoring spirit.
My brother!
Mr. Philip, every time I see you moving around doing your normal duties, I don't. You know they sleep.
I want to do that for your comfort now. We are awake.
I understand. The company, I'm sure they are proud of you.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, man, you be.
Thank you.
Now, man, you be.
I say you're dressed.
I'm dressed. You know the policy now. I have to wait for Snake to come outside because now the same car will go carry me go, now you go bring her. Now company policy. So what's your?
Success.
My man, she don't even. Where you? Come back here. Come back here if you don't get shame, Helen. Try get small shame. Even if you don't respect me, respect Mr. Philip.
Madam, good morning.
How can you wake up and not
Good
greet?
morning, Mr. Philip. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You not get shame for I. You don't come up for this house with me. Did you say hello? If something is wrong with my mouth, what is wrong with your own mouth?
Character just the smell.
Your character is smell.
See the way you take pass. Like say the motor where one carriers don't come.
That's the embarrassing.
Just imagine what I get to do. But I have to wait.
People should calm down.
No, it's okay.
Thank
People
you.
are peace with each other.
No, that's what we dey do,
But I know they like live with some certain type of human
That's what we
beings.
dey do. Now the company policy now put me for the one.
You think I want to be around people, somebody like you?
Who want there around you?
Somebody like you?
Who want there around
We
you?
not get respect. We
To
not get regard
say I
for
really
yourself.
soft, I no go order chap.
Mr. Osato, madam.
No, Philip, abeg, enjoy your day. Make I no use my own spoil you.
People should
It's okay, it's okay.
Philip, don't mind him. Don't mind
it's okay.
this
Live in
baboon.
peace, eh?
It's
Thank
all
you.
right. The car is already in the estate, so
Success.
we just wait. Take care.
Go stand for another side. Wait, now must you stand with me?
Now yeah, I did since.
Even though
Now yeah, I did since.
you don't have simple etiquette. No simple etiquette in your
Don't
blood.
wake up in the morning, you won't pass.
As you wake up, come off our house, you greet me. Also. The cloth's not even fine. See what you say you wear. You don't even iron your trouser.
I need both of you to pay attention to me. You are here because of what you have in your brains. And I need the atom of the most brilliant idea in it. Key Sounds wants us to design a new product for them. A wireless headphone. That's the prototype. Is everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Stop you. Sir, this is amazing. I mean, it's a good start.
Great work, sir.
Nice.
Promise to give you my best.
Great. Mr. Osato.
Yes, sir.
Miss Helen.
Sir.
Both of you were highly recommended. And I will not entertain any failure.
At all, sir.
Yes, sir. I will deliver, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will personally deliver.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't want any distractions from the office. So you can work from home. I give you 3 days to get back to me.
All right, sir.
Is that fine?
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So get back to work.
Thank you, sir. Let me see this laptop and I see this.
What did happen here? Who cared? Where did you call? Who removed food while people on fire?
Why do you like making noise? I don't understand. You're always walking here. What is it this time?
Who removed the food while people on fire?
I did.
Why?
Why not?
Hey. Trouble they sleep, younger will wake up. This younger one is seen, even younger one wear makeup. It's like something is wrong with you.
What do you mean by
When I say something is wrong with you, like it's obvious you are very sick.
It is you and the people that are behind you that are sick. Okay. You saw my food on the gas. You removed it, I kept it on the floor because I went to go and carry something. Go carry that concoction that you're cooking and put it on top of gas.
Okay, let me do concussion.
It's me that's cooking concussion.
Okay. No problem. You don't be.
What are you doing?
No, you don't be now.
Where are you going?
You don't be.
What
What did happen?
What did you just do?
I just switched off the gas now.
Okay.
Yes. If I cannot cook, then nobody has the right to eat.
You see that you like wahala.
Yes.
You see that you like problem. Let me pass.
No, pass where?
What do you mean
That means
pass?
you have to pass through me.
You see that you dey find trouble
You
for this
will enter
house.
me.
You dey look for trouble for this house.
Something is wrong with you.
Something is wrong with me.
Yes.
Okay now.
Must stay now.
No, see, go tire.
Yeah. Okay, you dey game.
Let's do it.
Strike a pose. Strike a pose. I dey
okay.
game. No shaking now. Maybe hunger go kill us.
You know say your belly dey quick pain you.
Make it pay me. You will be egg ambassador. Then let me dey pay you. By the time you go know now.
Which kind of problem be this? Hungry won't kill me, hello? See her, mannerless girl.
How long will I stay hungry for? I have ulcer. What kind of human being is this? A man that has no respect for a woman.
God. Jesus, oh, they don't the dark person never stitch up. Because of this idiot. Because of this idiot. Now God will punish you, this girl.
God will punish you.
Wait, you dey talk to me?
All I want to talk to you.
Better be. Better be you.
What's your business?
Abeg, come on. Ah, God. I dey cook. Die. Na so they take dey fry plantain. We dey fry plantain for here. They do like this.
What is all do?
Jesus!
You won't fry am as e dey big like this. This one go fry carrot. This one go fry carrot. What? No now, you slice it now. How can you put full pepper inside this thing? No go. They don't fry carrot. You slice it. Oh, go to come this now. Fried carrot, fried plantain. Chef, go. No be chef. Hey. What you want chop? Soaked food. You see noodles.
Was there for you. I stood by you all the way, and after all we shared, you still broke me into pieces. He doesn't even care. He's not even remorseful. What kind of a man are you? What do men really even want?
What do women want? Do they even know what they want? Or they're just being selfish? You can't please those genders. Nothing you do can keep them with... They will always hunt for a deeper pocket. Imagine I gave her all I had. Yet, there I am, alone, food, dumped like a chaff. You, now your gender go suffer.
I just can't sleep. I just feel this heaviness in my heart. But it's okay, I'll be fine. Trust me, I'll be fine. I hope she's taking medications. You know that is very important to me. I trust you. And I hope you're taking care of yourself too. Alright, baby girl. I need to go to bed now, okay? Talk in the morning. Alright, bye. What is it?
What do you mean of what is it?
Wait. Don't tell me you were eavesdropping on my conversation.
As what?
Minister of Information. I don't get better thing to do with my time than to come and listen to what they talk. Better behave yourself.
Okay.
What they do you now, they do me this night.
Cheaters.
Leechers.
Adam.
Eve. Better Eve. Snake. People where they hear from snake, where they talk to snake. If I dey look you sometimes, they wonder, apart from that thing where you don't down a leg, in again you that one like your farmer.
And you too, you and your gender. Apart from docking, like you call it, what else do you have to offer?
See, don't be your gender the way they beg for him. Don't be your gender they beg for him.
Close your mouth.
I like going come there, mad person.
I don't have time for all of this.
Get time for you. Go inside if you want to go inside.
You need to go inside now.
I dey here, mom. So if you want to go inside, go inside.
You need to be here. You first go inside.
Don't say you just want to feel me here.
Who be this one? This will be somebody.
Alright, get out.
Maybe like entity, it's not from my side.
Hush.
How are you? I like the smell of your perfume.
My perfume?
Yes.
Or my boobs?
She don't catch me, she don't catch me. Yeah. My name is Osato.
I'm Fina.
Fina?
Yeah.
If you don't mind, can I have your number so I can call you, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so you live in this estate?
Yeah, I'm from
Wow. Wow. You know, we can be jogging together every day. I like to jog.
here. Same here.
See you everywhere, you just making pala pala.
Bye.
Vanessa. Madam.
Jesus.
Cook, I don't even know about this rubbish. What's going on?
What is it now? What is the problem? Why can't I just have peace in this house?
Because there's no peace for the wicked.
Why?
Yes. Why did you litter everywhere like this? To say they come inside with visitors and say, okay, come, let's chill. How? What did happen here?
Why are you so troublesome? You walked in here and you saw me sleep. Why did you disturb my sleep? Respect yourself. Oh.
Okay.
Respect yourself.
Okay. Wow, that's true, because the thing don't really get my head.
Jesus Christ! What is your problem? What is it? You are seeing it now. You are seeing it now. You're looking for my trouble. Oh.
Which trouble are they going to look for? Something is definitely wrong with you. Listen, make I tell you. You see this living room? That's two of us now get out. You have to behave yourself. So every given point or every given point in time, you are supposed to keep everywhere clean. Why you going to litter everywhere like that?
Is it your business? Is it your head I put it on top of? Is it your head?
If you want to beat your deputy, you go somewhere go to do am. No carry you do your big character, come dey do here. Dirty thing.
You too.
And then who you the woo? Shame on you.
Shame on you too. Shame on all the things that you're talking that to date a pig like you.
Just imagine. You spread leg. That place where they sell land. Brah, they sleep. Okay, what?
Stop me again. Stop me again.
Okay, what you want? Okay, I want to sleep. That's it, you want me. That's it, you want me. You want me to spread. No, yes, that's it, you want me to begin to shake. No, that's it, you want me.
Mommy, I know. I just got this job 2 weeks ago, so I'm not expecting salary now. But I promise you, immediately I get my salary, I'll send it to the hospital. I understand, Mommy. But I hope you're fine. Are you taking your medications? Because that's most important. Okay, that's good. Alright, Mommy, please pass the phone to Mercy. Okay. Hello, Smalley. How are you? I hope you're taking good care of Momsy. Is she taking her medications? And you're sure you're monitoring her? Alright, please, I beg you, For no reason at all must you leave her side. Not even for 1 minute. Okay? Alright, baby. Did you eat dinner? Alright. Okay. I'll call you in the morning, okay? Let me get some sleep. Alright. Bye-bye. This girl. Hello? Don't you sleep? What is it?
What kind of talk is that? No, I am single. I am single to stupor. No. You won't believe me if I tell you that I've not made love for like a year now.
I would love to break that, but my ex wasn't that good in bed though.
What do you consider your ex? That's your ex now, but me, I'm different.
How so?
Yeah, I'm the baddest now. Nobody better than me. Don't you get it?
I find it hard to get him satisfy me. It was really heartbroken.
What I'm trying to say, in fact, don't worry, you won't understand until when you see me, when I pan beat your body, knock you like pan beater, you go feel out.
Oshe, panepita.
Anyway, when are you coming over?
Soon?
I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to feel you, eat you, lick you, like a lollipop. All right, take care of yourself, all right? Sleep well.
Where they worry this one? I give you code, you did like saying, don't know. Why you acting like you don't know what I'm
How
saying?
am I supposed to know? Yes, we are not talking. What is it?
Phone.
Did Tanya send you?
Message, yes, of course, that's what I'm talking about. Please, don't tell me you forgot. Just tell me that you worked on that project. I beg. Did you?
It's like me, I forgot to.
Hey! She forget. You tell her, don't forget. How can you forget now? Your first job? Ah, God, which kind of man be this? Which kind of woman be this? You are such an incompetent moron. In fact, you'll be Christmas gift with empty conco, all those bala conco, where they shape when nothing there inside.
You are the incompetent old fool. Because if you had sense, you would not be chasing me around instead of us to go and do work.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Huh? What don't you understand? Instead of letting us go and work, you're busy chasing me around, fighting, constituting nuisance every day of your life. Now look at it, we've not done anything.
Oh, she clap for yourself. See your mouth. Are you not the project designer?
Oh, Oh, okay. Now you remember I'm the project designer. I'm not the project manager. Eh? It's not your duty to make sure that we do all the jobs that we are given, that we are assigned in this company.
I just... See, let me just warn you. If I lose this job, I swear to God, I will fight you with everything that I have. Both physically, spiritually, sexually, and otherwise. Anything that has to do with Kali, now I will fight you.
Oh, that's what you're doing now.
Physically, spiritually, sexually,
that's what
and
you're doing
otherwise.
now, right?
You see what will happen?
That's what you're doing
yes,
now.
That's what...
Is this a joke or something? Is this a joke? Because I don't see any crowd laughing at it. Are you trying to tell me that you did not do the job I asked you to do on Keystone Project? My God. What?
Sir, please. Sorry, sir. But the truth is, I am good at what I do. I am diligent and I am focused. But for some reason, I don't know what is going on. I feel like this girl is sent from one spiritual evil darkness or something. Maybe for my village people to taunt me. Sir, please, I beg you. All I'm asking is that you send her away so that I can be able to do this job very well, please.
Sir, I also beg you in the name of God, do not listen to any word that's coming out of this baboon's mouth. Sir, since you employed this man into this company, it is from one problem to another, constituting nuisance. No creative ideas, only creative problems. Sir, please, I need this job.
You don't need this job. Did you hear me? You do not need this job. You are a total waste, and this is a luxury I cannot afford. Both of you, leave my office and do not come back.
Sir, it's not up to that. We're sorry, sir. Please, sir.
Hey, one more word from you. You will join them. Get out!
This is the way to
Okay.
go out. Sir, she has gone. It's only me that's remaining, sir. Please, just...
If you make me lose my temper,
It's okay. Don't lose it.
leave now. Ah, God. What's going on? What's going on? What am I going to do right now? Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Finally, I have lost this one job I was able to secure for the past 3 years of being jobless. Hi, God. What kind of problem is this? All because of this witch. Hi, God, how do I go back to Asaba? Empty-handed. How do I face my friends and that stupid ex of mine? Ha! This girl, oh.
My mother will be so disappointed in me, knowing that I got a job a few weeks ago, and the next day I am jobless. How am I even supposed to get the money for our hospital bills? How? Look at what this animal has cost me.
It is you and your family members are there to consume.
Listen, if trailer no jam you, tipper go jam you, tipper no jam you, keke go jam you, something must jam you.
It is you and your family members. I send it back to the sender in the mighty name of Jesus. In a million folds, back to you 1 million times. Keke o, Marua, tipper o, everything will jam you and your family.
I mean, they talk, I mean, they swing hand for.
What else?
Just point your hand again.
At the point and give you.
I'll give you.
At the point
I'll
and give you.
shortly.
At the point and they go give you short
I'll give you
leave.
short leave.
I go give you short leave, you too.
Let's say you try me.
Who is this one?
No,
Who do you think you are?
I will see blood. Chop you.
Vampire, you would have said it since now. You've not seen fresh blood in your life. You want to suck. Oh yeah, take. Suck blood.
I'll bite your neck.
Bite it, vampire. Bite it.
See, enough is enough. The only thing I need from you right now is to go inside, pack your things, it's over. Let's go.
No road to bedroom.
Which one be? No.
I mean, at the same bedroom we sleep.
Now two of us.
Pass, go pack your load now.
Pack your load.
You and who they pack
because
load?
I must see you enter that bus where you go get accident.
Oh, monitoring spirit. Ekwesu. It is now I know your plans. Woman. Ekwesu. Anumpama. Anohia. Look at you.
You see what will happen.
You
see what will happen.
Lel.
No job for you.
Yeah.
Pass me, pass for your mouth to the smell for my nose.
No, go and
pass like this.
Who are you want pass? Now me and you go.
Stand there now.
Now me and you go.
Statue of Liberty.
You go see him now. See him be. Okay, don't be emotional. I see you. I see tears.
Shut up!
Sir, you and I know your uncle is bent on taking this company from you. He even made sure no one in this state would work with us. He's doing everything to drown this company while you are its general manager, so that the shareholders will not have any option than to ask you to step down.
Tanya, go straight to your point.
Sir, we need them.
Dad. Who is it?
Your uncle. Sir, he's just taunting you. He wants you to give up.
I know. Put a call through to those two.
Okay, sir.
Tell them I want to see them here first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's lunchtime. Would you like to have anything? Okay, I'll just take my leave. Please let me know when you need anything.
So you're happy. I hope you're happy.
I
hope you're proud of yourself.
Come on, go. It's time to go. There's time for everything. Oh yeah? Alili, you go.
What do you mean, Alili, go? You go.
Which one means you go? Are you not going to go?
What do you mean, am I not going to go? You can go if you want to go.
There's time for everything. Time to come and time to go. We don't come. You go now.
Okay.
Yes.
I can see you're happy now. What? You've achieved what you want to achieve, right? They fired us. We don't have any job anymore. You're happy, right?
Stop. If you want blame, who you go blame? Simple thing, okay? I don't know this job. You can just employ me as a cleaner or a house help or something. They go take you. You're going to talk say you know about design. See, you see work now, you mess everything up. I mean, let's just get out from this place.
You know what? I'm not going to stand here and listen to it.
Yeah, yes, leave. Just leave. They pay you.
I know, come on.
You
Carry your dirty thing.
I'm not going to get out from this place. About to touch you.
just offer me use this one. Use this one.
I don't understand.
No, since I say since you dey brush now, so when you brush, once you brush, when you pour them inside the pot, then give me my boil and put salt, boil and give me you
What's
drink.
that supposed to mean?
No, it's very simple. As if you say you don't get sense. Why you go come kitchen come dey brush?
What's the problem? Is this not a thing?
I never see person because you go come up for bathroom, come dey brush it for kitchen. See food, see when you dey boil, you call inside kitchen sink.
Is this not a sink or is it not going down the sink?
It's going down. Okay, that's how you go use that.
Yeah!
No problem, no problem. I crown you now, the queen of dirty people. In my village, we call them Agbinwe. Agbinwe down. Now you be. You be Agbinwe.
Don't insult me in this house.
Heavy Agbinwe now you be. That's all. Don't run am. Go inside here. That's what it be. Let's go. Show yourself. Agbinwe, highest order. That's so.
You know, in T&X, we do not design products. We make things here. So I want to raise the stake high here. So I want to make a pocket carrier headphone that can contain more than 2,000 musics with the highest battery capacity and water resistance. I need to prove something to someone. So if both of you can give me the prototype, I can make it. So can you do that for me?
Sure, of course we can, sir.
Who be we? They ask, she just asked, can you do that? I've not even responded. You're saying we.
Like this now. You started this thing again, Abi. Start.
I can't do it.
Osato, don't be a moron. I am talking to both of you.
Sorry, sir. Yes, we can do it, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
That is all I need to know. Okay? So please, let's get it done. Fix it.
Wait. What is going on?
Partitioning.
I'm sorry, Patty who?
Partitioning.
Why are you dividing the house into two?
Okay, it's simple. I no go fit dey stay house with Agbinwe. The meaning of Agbinwe for my language na dirty person. Yes. I no go fit dey clean house all the time, then you go dey mess the place up. So this is to say everybody get your own space, so we go just maintain the space.
I still don't understand what you are on about. I mean, how are we supposed to live like this?
Okay, we'll live very simple and I'll break it down. This side can be your side. This side will be my side. So from today, if you want to eat, you want to play, you want to do your nasty thing, all those things like pig, where you they do, you choose your side, you do it. But I'm not saying don't go to the other side. You can as well move to this side to go to the visitor's toilet, or say you want to check something for window. There's no problem. But where you go, your dwelling place, now in there you go to maintain. So even if you no sweep her, that's so it be. Because you, the other day, I see you they brush teeth for kitchen. I no go fit leave house with person where they go kitchen where they say they cook. You go there, that the highest form of dirtiness be that. So they your own, I did my own. That's it.
Can you not see that you're insane?
Oh, you said?
Like, I've known since the very first day that I met you that something is wrong with your head, but I did not know it was insanity. You are mad.
No, I'm mad. But if you want really see madness now, when you begin to jump into the place where they know they, you just see caution. Now caution police they use. So as you don't see use caution now, by the time you go where they don't send you, now you go see madness.
Is that it?
Yes.
Is that so?
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
So
come with you.
no, there's no problem. There's no problem. Since you choose this side, I can't be in both sides. Let me go to this side.
Come with you for you.
What did happen?
Yeah.
You be like say you want down. Make I go.
Yeah, you go.
Let's say you try me.
I don't mean to play again.
No, just try. Let's say you want to play. I go bite your neck.
I will nod you.
My just can say you dey play. No, you dey play. I say you dey play.
I can't even get you off my mind. Listen, what I will do to you when you call me is you already know the vibe. I'll bend you well. Slot it in. No, I'm not saying that this is to scare you. I have to knock you on the pillow now. I'm holding the pillow as I'm talking to you now. Yeah? Yes. So when am I seeing you? Alright now, 3 p.m, that's it. Bye. God, confirm. Banner like Benz. Banner, the banner. The banner. Banner. Bang, bang, bang. Banner like Benz. Like. It's not for my psychologist, 10 minutes. Wow. This is good.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, the choice of color is amazing. The design is unique. This is not your regular earphone design. It's fine.
Thank you. I was actually thinking I was going to add
No.
this.
Don't add anything. I think this is good. Perfect. The GM will be proud of you.
Okay, if you say so. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Wow. So you can actually...
I better get out.
You know if you ever do something complete, you complete time for your life. I feel pass, sir.
If you pass now, over there, you know they read the law.
But
you no go waste time. If you no go waste time, anything
you don't go rush me.
Anything hit you.
Come for road.
I beg God, please pass.
Sharp. Hey, Mr. Phillips.
Mr. Osato.
Baby. How are you?
I'm good. See, I have to bring out myself. When they locked her outside the gate, they refused access to the estate. Don't be hungry. It's our normal estate and the company.
But it's too tight now. I was telling them it's me. They just
for your safety, so you're good. So you have to, you know, checkmate those coming in and those going out for additional safety.
It's alright, man.
So it's fine. Hope you're good.
I'm very fine.
Enjoy
Thank
yourself.
you. You don't deliver this one.
You hold me.
Thank you. Yeah.
Alright.
Babe, sorry. I forgot to mention. I have someone in the house. My mother's younger sister's daughter's friend, the nephew. The child, she's inside. And she's not feeling too well, like, you understand? Yeah, but just take it easy, whatever you see. It's okay. I miss you a lot. Let's go. See your bouncing chest. Cheese. He's coming. Oopsie. Face it. Yeah. Welcome.
Thank you.
So tell me what, let me shut this door very well. This house is automated doors. So tell me, what can I offer you?
You.
Me? If you chop me finish, you go punch. Well, I'm just joking. We'll get to that, alright? But let me get you something to drink.
Okay. Whiskey will be fine.
Whiskey.
Yeah.
Whiskey coming through. Okay?
Thank you.
Oopsie. Cha cha cha. Yeah. Okay. You know, I was just having this a moment ago, so let's just see. That's it.
So let's toast to a new beginning.
New beginning?
Yeah.
That's it. It's a new beginning.
Yeah.
Strong.
Hi.
Jesus. Okay. Okay. This choreography. Easy. Let's see two aside. Yeah, I like the choreography, the church practice. Let's
you
just
want to see me now?
Mo see you outside. No, it's okay. Mo just see outside. Mo will see outside now. 2 minutes, yes. Please enjoy your drink, okay?
I won't forget my tea.
No, don't forget to.
But you know say
No, just come this side.
You sure?
Where they happen?
Wait till they happen, I don't understand.
No, I know even me, I don't understand.
Even if you dey craze or say you dey stupid, you don't know the meaning of timing. Eh? Why you not feel read in between the line? You know, see, my guest did there. You dey go carry caution tape.
You're funny, you. You're a very funny person. Because I don't understand what all of this is about.
Why are you laughing?
Why won't I laugh?
Listen, if you know what's good for you now, carry this caution tape and this tape like I can go inside now. And coordinate yourself this minute.
I am not carrying anything anywhere. Why are you fidgeting? Why are you shaking like you be jellyfish? Eh? Not you lay rules. Live by the rules that you laid now. Let me go and finish.
Talk to you. Come on, stand with me.
You don't
I'll get problem too.
Physical abuse.
Everything okay? Yes. Everything is fine.
Everything is fine. What happened? Let me go inside, okay?
Listen, babe. Remember that thing I was telling you about? This my relative. She has mental disorder. Yes, like score. It comes and it goes. You understand me? I was just telling her just now, like, who drank the whiskey? And she, that's how it is. So you see, she has not even taken her medicine. So my advice to you is to not go close to her. Yeah, she's dangerous. She might just even bite your neck. Yes, she's very demonic.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That explains what happened in there.
Exactly.
It's fine, babes.
Yes.
You know what? Come inside, let me make you feel alright.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah?
It's okay, let's go. Babe. Sit down. Hey, babe.
Babe, you are fire.
And you do your
But you know you need to fix your AC.
Oh, talking about AC, I will fix it. See the way I'm sweating. Eh? I want that out of every other day. I don't know why they work well. But today of all day, he can't decide to, misbehave. But it's okay. They'll fix it. Huh? Ha! My full package. You know, say that if na Igbo woman, I get this meat, you know what you call you? Complete package. Container. It loaded. With goats and everything.
Thank you.
Let the people with small breasts, let them breathe. Don't suffocate them.
Babe, stop.
I will not stop. Listen to me. With that performance that you gave me out there, I will take care of you.
Really?
I'll spoil you. This is what you are doing, really. It's like you don't know that I have 2 houses in Lekki.
Oh, wow. People just die for this internet.
I'll spoil you now. Yeah, something is even coming up, Seth. I'm planning to relocate to Canada.
Internet people, they lie.
And the way it is right now.
Jesus.
And I think I will go with you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is she
You don't
okay?
get passports like this. Ha! Now, wow.
What do you say?
Is she okay?
Okay. No, now. Didn't I tell you about her condition?
It's true.
So, watch. She just laughing on her own. Watch.
Boy, it's all fine. I used to go to take me to Canada.
Taking you to Canada for real. Spoiling you. Babe, let's go back inside. Let's go. Let me show you how it is. You know, I wanted us to do Netflix and chills, but right now it's just madness and chills. Let's do it. You didn't go far.
Can you guys keep it down a bit, please? We have people that are trying to work and get things done here. Keep it down. Keep quiet! Osato!
What is it? What is the problem? Who be that?
You know you can actually do whatever it is you guys are doing in there without making so much noise.
I don't understand. What's in the door?
What you mean, you don't understand? Tell your guests to turn down the volume.
Blast it on him. Blast it on him, bench. Now, which kind of movie justice talk now? Now, you want to best have person to do everybody get out of here now. And then punch and go, you hear the song, you tell me you say rubbish. And then you know your body go back, you go take more.
Keep it down.
Mr. Sato.
Yes, sir.
What do you think?
Can't even look at it, sir. I'm so sorry. The design is whack. Yes, this is below standards, I must say. Yes. Helen, are you sure you really know this job and you're really ready for this job?
Osato.
Yes, because you need to always consider your customers. You and I should understand how to use this AX and the IX when you're doing designs. You understand? You must think about the customers, how they think and how they feel. Sir, sorry to say this is totally below standards. I can't even look at it.
Well, I thought both of you had gone through this before bringing it to my office.
I mean, we did, sir.
No, we didn't. We didn't. We didn't.
Osato, I remember vividly. I completed this job and I came to you and you approved of it.
God forbid. No, sir. I cannot approve of this. This is totally below standard. I cannot, as I'm looking at it right now, I'm even feeling bad. So let me show you something. Let me show you. I approve? How can I approve something like that? Sir, hold on. Please. Take your time and check this out, sir.
Wow.
That's it.
This is good.
That's it.
It's incredible.
That's it.
You did this?
Yes, sir, I did it.
Look, I never knew you were into design.
Sir, that is just one of my hidden talents. I have so many hidden talents.
I love this.
That's it. Sir, you see the smile on your face. That was what I was trying to explain to her. You must consider your customers.
Yes, this is exactly how they should feel.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. At this point, sir, I think we need to shut this rubbish down.
Yes, please. Yes.
To not affect our design.
Shut it. Yeah. Well, Miss Helen.
Sir?
You did a great job, but trust me, it wasn't good enough. Yeah. Okay, you need to brace up. Yeah. Tighten up your seatbelt, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Please take this to Tanya immediately. Okay. We need to make some cool money.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
I'm glad you like it, sir.
Thank you very much, guys. You may leave now.
It's okay, sir. It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Sato.
It's okay, sir. I know you're very happy.
I am happy.
I will brush her up.
Please do.
Show her.
Please do.
Thank you.
Please do. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. So the designs, that's your own. It's quack.
Wow, amazing. This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make some cool money. Okay, so what next now? Oh my god.
So that's your plan, right? Your plan is to make me lose my job.
Which plan?
What don't you understand? What was that shit show you put up in the office today?
Show. The show when you put up yesterday when I get guests for here, what do you call that show? Or you don't know that show will get repercussion?
Oh. Wait, so that's what all of this is about? You made me look incompetent, you embarrassed me, made me look like I didn't know what I was doing, just because you wanted to have your lick back? Really? Because I know for a fact that I did this job. I made this design and you approved of it. You said I did a good job, didn't you? And then you turn around and do that? You know, I need this job more than you can ever think of. And if you think I will allow you bring your nonsense and take it away from me, you better have a rethink. Osato, or whatever it is that your name is.
Sabogi.
I'm coming for you, and you better be prepared.
I dey wait. I dey wait. I dey gain.
Yes. Wait for me. Yeah, I know. I mean, I was just thinking about that. You know, it would actually not be bad if you buy it in green. Or...
See, make I tell you, as I just dey look you like this, just dey do me make I strangle you.
Wait, sorry, let me call you back.
The biggest mistake I make say now the same place that me and you dey stay. You think I don't know the nonsense say you dey do. Who see you now go say you get very innocent face. So you get mind call gates. Say me they no allow my guests come inside this house. Say you don't want to see any guests come house 71. You, no problem.
You see, I'm very glad that you know that it is me because I don't know what else you are thinking in that small little head of yours.
Why will you tell them to not allow the guests?
Why won't I tell them to allow them to before you make me speak nonsense English, you know the dictionary? Why won't I? When every day you bring different colors into the house. If it's not green today, it's yellow, pink, red, green, brown. I don't understand. What did they call you when you moved in here? Company home. Staff house, not external body house.
I'll kill you one day.
You go kill who?
I'll kill you one day.
Now, you see that thing where they cry, where her chest say like this. Now that one they go kill. Now, in fact, now she go kill you. The chest will go like this.
Okay.
I know get.
Now I don't see.
I feel like demonstrate.
Now I don't see where the pain they come from. I'll tell her make she cut small one for you. Even at 2,000 naira room. May you today. Now I see the pain.
At least she not get this one. She gets her. She gets her.
I see nothing.
She gets her.
I see
she
nothing.
Not get her. He pay you.
I see nothing.
Carry another one come out. I go call Oga. Call Tanya.
Now Philip has down here anyway. Make Philip come. Make I tell him waiting. Where I will take.
Wetin Philip want do me? Wetin you say Philip go fit do me? Okay. You say Philip na your superhero. Now we go come carry me come out for this house. Me I say una wan do am.
Na Konji dey worry you.
Na Konji dey worry.
From your open teeth I dey see am.
I am happy, bro. I am so happy, you know. I wanted to do something different, and it worked. Thank you. Sure. We are going to do something big things, you know. Yeah, that's great. Thank you. Yeah, all right. Bye.
Good sir.
Good day.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.
Sir, I just want to say a very big thank you. This is overwhelming.
Really?
Thank you so much. God bless you, sir.
I mean, I'm confused. It's not even month end yet, and I got a paycheck.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Who says that was your salary?
It's not salary.
Are you serious?
That is what you get when you do a good job.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, I need both of you to keep doing your best, okay? And you will get the best from me.
Yes, sir.
We have a job at hand, okay? I believe before the end of work today, Tanya will send you an email on how to carry on the job. Okay. All right?
God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
101%.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
How are you made it now?
Yes,
all right, sir.
Thank you.
What's the meaning of that word?
What is if you have sense, you know that they usually say ladies first.
I beg you, pass.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
What's wrong with you? You better behave yourself. Hey! Chief, come on. Normally, you person will come out from work and you go inside. Shit now!
I don't even understand all this nonsense that you're doing. What is all these things that you're putting on top of this place like this now?
Not today, you see him. Hello? Bro, I beg, this matter dey vex me. That girl na useless and heartless girl. Make she carry her matter dey go. I don't forget about her. Listen, bro, I don't tell you. You guys should stop sending me any video. I don't want any video. I've moved on. She's heartless and wicked. Stupid gender.
They call me again. I should really already send me video. Hello? Yeah, I saw what you sent to me. I'm so happy for him. He finally proposed to the love of his life. What more do you want me to say? See, babe, I beg. Don't be sending me videos like that again. I'm trying to focus on my life. I'm trying to build my life. Please, okay? I'm tired. I just got back from work. We'll talk later. Bye.
Just imagine. Which kind of gender be this? Useless gender. Women are stupid. In fact, I don't even know how to categorize them. Because the only gender we understand how serpent they work. No wonder when they won't tempt them, serpent came to them. How they tell they understand the serpent language and waiting and don't understand. Women are useless people. Manipulation, and they good at.
Hi! Men! Now what? The most useless, most stupid gender I've ever seen in my entire life. Those creatures, the only thing they know how to do is cheat, lie, carry different women every day of their life. Very useless, worthless set of people.
Yes now. Talking about they carry. Who they carry? No be women they carry. Women are just going to jump from one rich man to the other rich man. Once man don't get money, they don't buy, they don't leave them. Useless gender. In fact, I'm too old to be throwing words to the wind. Let me direct it to you. They swear for una. They swear for una. We're women. Una gender.
You see that question? That question where you just ask me, no, rather than so forth. Now, waiting at the one they ask you since they swear for una. They swear for una. What do you want to do if I cross? If you talk, I will give you back to sender. You mad. Don't be this way. You follow me talk.
But just the reason women matter, you go like make your Chris.
For knock sit floor. Knock half floor.
I don't blame you. Like say it's onto the worry that your head. Okay, if I don't stand, you don't go stand.
What do you mean by if I don't stand?
Make I sit down.
You don't smoke igbo.
Make I sit down.
Like you don't smoke igbo.
Make I sit down.
You don't enter corner.
Make I sit down.
Enter bathroom, go dey smoke igbo. I will report to give up oga for office.
Wetin you dey find you dey see am? Okay, you don't sit down.
My leg dey pain me. You don't look for my trouble for this house, so you dey whine me. Who be this one?
I come back from work. If you want me to go straight to your room, you don't go straight. Because you see I want sit down here, you sit down.
Sorry, daddy.
Now I want stand, you won't stand.
Daddy, you know use carry me inside room.
I no go anywhere again. Now I go there. When you tired, go inside room. Nonsense gender.
I want like that.
Chop. If you let I dey chop leg, I go chop you.
Yes, doctor. I understand. Yes, but what I sent should be able to cover for something in the meantime, right? I understand, doctor. I totally understand, and I truly appreciate your efforts. But please, I'm just gonna ask you for a little bit more time. I need to raise the balance. Once I get it, I'll send it to you. I understand, doctor, and I really appreciate one more time. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you very much. All right. Yeah, good night. Mercy, how are you? I know. So I just got off the phone with the doctor, and I sent some money to them. So first thing tomorrow morning, I need you to go to the hospital to pick Mom's drug, okay? Yeah. Do you guys have food stuff in the house?
What do you mean? Since when? Mercy, how many times have I told you not to wait this long before you tell me? Okay, fine. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll send you some money so you can go to the market, okay? How's Momsy? Okay, alright, my love to her. Alright, baby girl, we'll talk in the morning. Alright, bye. Can you please just get better? I'm tired.
Where's the agreement form? Okay.
You stop stepping on me now.
What is your problem?
What do you mean what's my problem? Can't you see that you're stepping on me?
Man, shut up and report spit on my face.
Hey!
What's wrong with you?
Really lie. You went there and spit to your face.
When time I take a step on you.
You can't just say you stepped on me.
Leave yourself.
Are you guys normal?
Sorry, sir.
Are you sure you're normal?
Sir, me, I'm normal. I don't know about her.
You are mad. Something's wrong with your brain. How can you say you don't know?
Okay, that's fine. Please, go back to your office.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. See, there's something you can talk to me.
Why must you enter me now? Why must you enter me? Can't you wait for me to pass?
So you see, I'm just standing up.
You're just standing up. Sir, can you say I'm not the problem with this office?
Pass, ladies first, pass.
To your office, please,
Pass.
please.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. Then you can talk to me.
Something is wrong with your head.
You can talk to me.
I don't know what.
Sir, if you ask me, who will I ask?
Yeah, lunchtime, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you hungry?
Yes, sir.
All right. Place an order. Good. Sorry, I saw something here. Just take this one though. All right. I need to sort out one or two things here. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, shoot. Tanya, say it.
Mr. Brown called this morning.
Okay.
They are backing down.
What happened? Why? I spoke with them last night and they told me they were in. So why are they backing down now?
Sir, I think you should have the answer to that question.
I don't understand.
Of course I know about the meeting now, but this is not too early.
Jesus.
Jesus.
The one?
The one! Oh my God!
Jesus Christ.
The one?
The one!
How can it be two?
Oh my God. So I'm so sorry. I cannot explain what happened, but I know that something happened.
Seriously, it's not a deliberate answer. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I slept from night till the afternoon. Sir, I'm very sorry, sir. Please, I beg you, it will not happen again, sir. Please.
What should I call this madness? You two are supposed to be in your office clearing your decks with your sack letter waiting for you. But I don't know why I am still keeping you.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry for. Because the company that awarded us the contract that you two slept on has backed down.
Mugbe?
So it's fine.
Sir, we're sorry, sir.
Get out.
Sir?
Oh, God of mercy, if you call that sir again, I'll slap you. Get out!
Get out! Go now!
Stay up now. Can you sleep?
I see what you're doing. You're trying so hard to sabotage my effort just to prove that I can't run this company. So you can have it all to yourself, right? I know the game you're playing. I know the game you're playing, but I assure you that by God, you will not have this company. God damn it! Tanya, what do you think I should do with those two?
Come and get lost. You open your mouth and I'll slap you one day, you see. You're a witch, you don't know. You're a witch. Yes. See who they talk. As he said, are you holy pass? So what they talk? Holy Mary, Mother of Christ. You say I don't know your tactics. Say I don't know what you do. How you take to what you do? You put with the same sleeping thing for my drink, make I for sleep. You do me, I do you. God knows there's everything balanced. You never see anything. But I will show you. Yes, let it be really.
They sent you to me, Abi. They sent you to me to take my life. But God passed you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
If you carry this hand near me again, you could say that
God will punish you. What do you want to do?
Okay, they touch my nipple.
And they touch you.
I go.
Sir!
Thank you. I believe both of you now see how important this is to me. My dad's younger brother would do anything, everything to make sure he takes this company away from me. Both of you, do you still want to go back to Asaba or stand with me to retrieve my father's legacy?
Sir, what are we supposed to do?
Good question. A deal is on, and a very big deal. I'm talking about a huge amount of money. If we back this deal, then I'll have full control of my father's company. So I ask again, are you with me or you want to go home?
I'm sorry.
Wait. Did you just say you are sorry?
Yes. You heard me. I'm sorry. I know I've not been nice to you all this while. I mean, I've been
You've been a douchebag. You've been a scum of the earth, an uncouth hoodlum.
Well, you can use those words if you want.
Oh, I'm not gonna act like I've been a saint either. I mean, I should have been matured and been cultured about my...
Yeah, I mean, me too. I mean, my father taught me how to be very responsible, and I mean, I'm a responsible man. I'm supposed to be a responsible man.
But I guess you missed classes, you skipped the exam, you failed all the tests and everything.
This girl, you're full of trouble.
Anyways, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Anita.
Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello, doctor. Yeah, wait.
What? No, 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 no. No! Oh my God! Ah!
Please, I need you to stop crying.
Hey. How are you? I told the MD what happened. He sent his condolences.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
I have to go back home.
Please, can I talk to you for a minute, please? Please, just sit down. So you want to go back to the village? That means you want to go and mourn and cry your eyes out all night, right?
I have a little sister that needs me. The main reason for coming here to get this job was because of my mother's health. I did everything to raise the money for her surgery. Just gone.
Please stop crying. I understand how you feel. But you have to give your younger sister the best life that she deserves. And I'm very sure that's what your mother will want you to do. But trust me, the only way you can do that is striking this deal. I feel like you should stay back and do this. Please.
Thank you for caring for me.
Oh, come on, it's nothing. Now listen to me. And hear me well. You see this job, this deal, we will get this deal. We will make money and it will give your sister the best life.
Okay, that sounds like a deal.
Good. Now you're smiling.
I could really use a hug right now, you know?
Gladly give you. Come on. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, I just sent it to you now.
Okay, alright. Sir, we're done.
What is this nonsense? It's amazing. How did you come up with this? This is nice. I'm happy. You two can retire for the day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
We are about to hit the global market big. So get to work.
Of course. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
You're
sir.
welcome. You're welcome. That's amazing. Tanya,
Sir.
you know what to do. That's nice. So I need to read up some something here.
Wow. Do you know that you look way more beautiful than...
Now what?
Never mind.
Say it.
I bet just...
Who's that?
Who is this guy?
My ex.
Your ex?
Why?
I know this guy.
You do?
This is the guy my ex-girlfriend was cheating on me with.
Wait, what? You mean my ex-fiancé is the guy your girlfriend was cheating on you with?
Well, she's not my ex.
Wow. Wow. Small world. Wait. Is that why you've been mad at me?
Well, you won't understand. She did me dirty. I did everything for her. I mean, what more could I do? I did everything, but I never knew I was not in the picture.
Not in the picture? What do you mean by not in the picture?
See, like I said, I did everything for her. I saw her through school.
Okay.
Right? After she finished her service, I proposed to her.
Okay.
And she turned me down.
No.
Yes. Since then, everything about women irritates me.
Oh my God. Now I understand why you've been so mad and bitter towards me. But you realize that it's not all girls that are bad.
Well, I know that. Sorry. I beg, enough of me. What about you? What's your story, Seth?
My story is like this long, and it's not story for today. We'll talk about it another day.
Oh, wow, I see. So after involving me in your podcast, asking me plenty of questions, I'm asking you. Then your own story now is not story for another day. But I'll tell me story. Come here and tell me story. Tell me, how did it start?
I have to stop. Stop. I'm not talking about anything. You must talk everything. Osato, if you tickle me again,
I told you about my ex. I told you everything. So don't even do that.
Stop.
Stop talking.
Stop.
Really? Really?
Sorry about that. It's nothing.
It's fine. You have my number. Call me.
That was intense.
Thanks, waiting.
You don't even get remorse for body.
I better shut up. Back to the matter. Tell me. So what happened to your boyfriend and everything?
Wait. That reminds me. There was one time I heard her saying something about me being crazy. She said I'm a crazy person.
No, I just told her that you have small skull. Say, like, not just small.
Osato! What's the difference between skull and crazy?
No really difference.
So let's toast to the CEO of TN set.
The CEO?
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, boss.
Thank you very much. This wouldn't have happened without you guys. I'm so amazed. God bless you.
You're welcome, sir.
And congratulations to you as well.
Congratulations as how, sir?
Please open it.
Official house and car. Ah! Oh my God! Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you.
This is unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please. Osato. You're welcome. It's okay. You may leave now and enjoy yourselves.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can I carry you?
It's good. Tonya, thank you. Good. And for this, you will be going on vacation in Dubai.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'm grateful.
Come on, you deserve it. You've done a great job.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
My uncle. Thank you. Thank you.
So sorry. Sorry. What you be doing? I help you press on. What you make you look with sexy eyes?
Hey, you two, why you looking at me like that? Why you licking your lips like that?
So I love you licking lips again.
Is that what's
Okay,
that?
why do you can't do Z word? Huh? What is wrong with this?
Stop it!
What
Yes!
you